Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have another exciting video for you guys as usual, but if you haven't seen already a couple videos or a video ago, I don't even know the order in which these will be releasing, but I did do a massive Ulta holiday haul, and these were a couple of the items that were in that haul. So today we're going to be doing the ELF advent calendar and the ELF skincare little holiday set. I am super excited to take a look and see what is in here. I did just film both the massive Ulta haul and the NYX advent calendar, so I'm just trying to get them all done in like one go so that I can actually put stuff away and they're not like mountaining up into my room. So I'm super excited to get started. All right, so here is the skincare set. And in here you get the Jelly Pop Watermelon Jelly Cleanser, the Jelly Pop Dew Primer, the Holy Hydration Face Cream, the Nourishing Night Cream, and the Illuminating Eye Cream. And then last but not least, the Nourishing Facial Oil. So that's everything in here. I just realized I probably wasn't even centered that whole time. Maybe I was, I don't know. I mentioned in my Ulta haul, I have not really used ELF skincare in the past. I am excited to try out the primer. I heard that is comparable or like kind of like a dupe for the Milk Dewy, what is it? The Milk Hydra primer thing. I don't know what it's called off the top of my head. I haven't even tried that one, so I don't really have anything to compare this one to, but if I like this one, then I imagine I'll like the Milk one. I am also planning to do a Sephora holiday haul in the future. I haven't placed that order yet, but I will be doing that this week, so that'll probably come out in December, but I am going to get the Milk Hydra primer, whatever it's called, so that I can try that out then. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I am just surrounded by like junk. Okay, so first off, let's take a look at this cleanser. I like that it's a watermelon one. I love watermelon. They do have a safety seal on it, which is really nice. I really like ELF products. I think you get really good quality items for the price point. Ooh, okay. Well, if that doesn't get you excited about washing your face, I don't know what will. It smells so nice. It has a really nice watermelon scent, but it's not like super sickly or super sweet. It's just like a nice light watermelon scent. Very excited to try out that. Then we have the primer, the Dew Primer. I wonder if this is also watermelon scented. It is. Ooh, I like that. It has a really cool consistency. It's like jelly-like, and it has like a really nice tackiness to it. Okay, I'm gonna end up falling in love with this. It smells so good. I really only see it on my hand. It does have like a really good tackiness to it. I am really excited to try that out. I don't know when I'll try it out. What I might do is in one of my other videos. I might try it out in one of my other videos. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I could try it in my Lancome video because I bought a foundation to try, and so I will try this as the primer. I really like the way that feels. All right, next up, we've got the Holy Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. I like the packaging as well. Everything is really nicely packaged. It has a really nice scent to it. It doesn't seem like super scented, but it doesn't smell like chemically or anything. Just nice and light. I do tend to be a little bit oilier in the summer and kind of drier in the winter. I definitely have more of a combination skin type. So I think these will be really nice for winter. Like nice nourishing moisturizing. Yep, this definitely does not have a scent to it. Nice thick moisturizer for night. Try this out on my hand. I don't remember what this one was, what the cost of this one was. I think the advent calendar was maybe like $25, and this may have been like similarly priced. All right, Next up, we have a giant thing of eye cream, illuminating eye cream, which I definitely will get some use out of. That's what that looks like. My eyes, I feel like I'm starting to age in my eyes, which is kind of freaking me out a little bit. Not like a lot, but enough to be noticeable. Like there's just a little bit more like wrinkles going on and like a little bit of creepiness that was not there before. I mean, that's what happens when you get older. I get it. But it definitely means I'm trying to up my skincare game. Very nice. Again, not really scented or anything like that. And last up, we've got the Nourishing Facial Oil. I don't know if this is just like if you need a little extra hydration, you would put this on. I put this on my other hand since I have so much on the other. Again, doesn't smell like anything. It smells like oil. Soaks into the skin pretty nicely. I don't know why I'm showing it like it's an invisible oil. You're not going to see it, but yep, seems good there. So that was all of the skincare items I got in this kit. I am super excited to try them out. That cleanser like makes me want to go wash my face right now. Like it smells so good. And then to also have that same scent in this primer, I may need to stock up on this stuff. I don't know if it's an all the time thing. If it is, awesome. If this is like usually only during summer or something, I want more of this. This may become my go-to primer. We'll see. I'm going to test it out with some makeup and then I'll know for sure. But just going by scent and how it felt, I like it. All right, let's move on to the Advent calendar. So this is a 12-piece Advent calendar, which is super fun. It does tell you in the back what comes in the calendar if you want to make sure it's something that you would like. I like to be surprised by stuff, so I don't generally look at that. But like I've mentioned probably a couple times by now, it's really fun to be able to record opening these because then I don't have to wait. I can just open them. We're just gonna go in and start opening these. I might actually be able to hold this one while I open it. I couldn't do it in the last one I filmed, the next one, because that was so big. But we're gonna try it on this one with my crazy nails and all. Oh, I'm already messing it up. All right, so, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm such a mess. Okay, I feel like I just did a workout. So the first thing I got is Wow Brow in neutral brown. So I think this is probably like a, yep, it's a, ooh, it's got the fibers. This will make your eyebrows like super bushy. Yeah, I'm super excited to try this one out. All right, we're going to go on to number 2. So that is right here. This is kind of fun because they don't go in order. You kind of have to look around for the one you want. Or the one that you're supposed to open, but I generally like the ones that go in order, but because there's only 12 of them, it's not a huge deal. They really put them in here nicely so they don't pop out, but it makes it a little difficult when you're trying not to ruin your nails. So we have the ELF, okay, this is the ELF Seriously Satin lipstick in Taffy, and this is a really pretty color. I'm excited to try this out. And this is definitely a full-size lipstick. Doesn't smell like anything. It almost smells like crayon, to be honest. Number 3 is right here. This guy here. Let's open this. I'm getting, because I put all those lotions on, I'm getting little fingerprints all over this thing. Ooh, fun! It's the Hello Hydration Face Cream. That's what I just got in my skincare set. It's a little travel size of the Hello Hydration Skin Cream. That's super fun. I am going to keep this one. I did mention in my last couple of videos that I will be doing a giveaway in December, a holiday giveaway that I am super excited about. So some of this might find its way into that giveaway. If you aren't already subscribed, I would go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're the first to know about when this giveaway happens. But there's going to be tons of goodies. I love giving gifts during the holidays, and I would like to do, I'm going to do at least one. I would like to do more than one during December, but I am just doing my research right now to make sure I'm doing everything correctly and legally. But yeah, so some of this may end up in that actual giveaway. But this one I am going to keep because this would be great for traveling. All right, number 4 is right here. Ooh, oh, this is exciting. If I can get it out, it's super exciting. Oh, you guys, I just discovered a trick. Use tweezers to help get everything out. So this is the Bite Size eyeshadow in, do you have color? Cream and Sugar. These were super popular when they released them. They're just like these tiny little quad eyeshadow palettes. This is perfect. It's nice and neutral. I'm really excited to try this out. I never really, like the ones I wanted kept selling out, so I never really tried them. So I am excited to try this one out. All right, number 5. That's this long boy down here. I bet you this will be some sort of like liner or brush. Based on the shape. Yep. It is a brush. It just popped out. Okay, so this is a blending brush. It feels pretty nice. And that's what it looks like. It's a little misshapen from being in the packaging, but this will be a nice blending brush. So, very fun. Number 6 is up here. Yeah, that's what I thought. This is a liquid glitter eyeshadow in a really beautiful burgundy color. I have one of their other liquid eyeshadows, liquid glitter shadows that I really like. This is gorgeous. You guys, this is so beautiful. It's like the perfect burgundy-ish purple with gold fleck. That is going to be gorgeous for the holidays. I love that. I may end up having to do an ELF look just based on the amazing things I'm getting in this box. We'll see. I can't guarantee it, but I may need to. All right, now we're moving on to number 7. That's this round guy here. This is the ELF Poreless Putty Primer. So this was like the iconic putty primer that flew off the shelves. It's comparable to the Tatcha primer that everybody was like, oh my godding about. But that Tatcha one's super expensive, so this was like the super affordable dupe for that. So super excited to try this out. I've never tried it before, and I don't know if this is full size. Everything in here seems like it's full size so far, which is pretty impressive. All right, we're moving on to number 8. That's this big guy here. So this is the ELF Makeup Mist and Set. I have used their makeup setting spray before, and it works pretty well. So this is another good one. I may actually put this one in the giveaway because I do have like 5 other setting sprays. I don't really need a new one. So this I'm actually going to put in the giveaway. The first thing going in the giveaway pile, which is crazy because it means this is like new stuff to me that I've not tried before, which is always really fun. All right, moving on to number 9, which is right here. Ooh, yes. I ruined the top with the tweezers. It's like scratched. I'm super bummed about that because I wanted to do this one as a giveaway. Shoot. So this is the Ride or Die Lip Balm Boss Berry. I have this. Is it within my reach? I don't think I do have it in my reach. I have this in the peach one. I love it. This stuff is amazing. It feels great on the lips. It is super moisturizing. It smells amazing. I am still going to put this in the giveaway even though I kind of scratched the cap a little bit because I think you guys are going to really love this. It is tinted, so it'll have like this little pinkish hue to it. I wish I had my pink one or my peach one. It's here somewhere and I'm going to find it as soon as I'm done filming. But I do have the peach one and I love it. So this will go into the giveaway pile. I'm just sorry that I scratched up the top for you guys. All right, moving on to number 10. That's this guy here. We're getting close to the end. All right, we have a lip lacquer in Bubbles. So it is just like a nice lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss and it has like a nice bluish silver shimmer. I'm going to put this in the giveaway pile as well. I have so many lip glosses and I have a couple from ELF as well. So I'm going to give this one away to you guys. Moving on to number 11. That's this guy here. Based on this shape, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a beauty sponge. It's a wee bit misshapen from being in the packaging, but it is a beauty sponge. I actually will keep this guy. I love this. My current one, which is super dirty and kind of gross, and I'm sorry because I haven't cleaned it, that's the same one. I'm pretty sure this is an ELF one, so it works really well. So that is exciting. And last but not least, we are on number 12, which is of these from previous unboxings I've done. So this for sure will go into the giveaway, but it's always good to have a handy eyelash curler on hand. So that was my ELF advent calendar and holiday skincare set unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super excited to try some of these products out. I am considering doing a look with the ELF products I got, just to like try out the shadows and the brow and the lipstick and this primer. I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do that, if I'm going to do like a separate video or if I'm just going to wear it for a future video. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I post beauty videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and on Fridays I post a lifestyle video. Now during the months of November, December, I am probably going to be just doing full-on beauty videos just so I can do advent calendars, holiday sets, and some holiday looks for you guys. But moving past into January, I'm gonna, pull back in the lifestyle type videos. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.